The Special Patrol Group was axed last year after widespread criticism over incidents such as the death of Blair Peach. Although popular within the force, its image had become tarnished. Opponents labelled it elitist and unsuited to local needs, as it was a go-anywhere squad under the central command of Scotland Yard. The Tottenham riots brought added urgency for a change in structure, with many officers blaming a breakdown in command on the scene and poor training. There'll be 8 new TSGs, each one covering a single Met area, and they'll be under the command of a local officer. Each group will consist of 100 hand-picked local officers, many coming from the old SPG. They'll receive special training in public order policing at the so-called Riot City, the Met Centre at Hounslow. The force is spending £15 million on new equipment, including specially protected vehicles with riot equipment on board. But the Met are keen to stress that the primary role of the TSGs will be policing street crime and burglary.
I think wherever chief superintendents have got problems and they do not have the resources to cope with it, we can supply locally trained and highly selected, highly trained officers to cope with those problems.
Now, one of the criticisms of the SPG in the past was that it was an elitist force. Isn't there a danger that this is going to become an elitist force in this area?
We're certainly going to be a very highly trained force, and I hope a very professional force. People on this unit will serve for 4 years and no longer, so I don't think there's any danger of the poor aspects of elitism.
However, the reorganisation hasn't met with unanimous approval.
The Special Patrol Group was justified on the basis that the police needed an elite group to go in and do a bit of firefighting work in a special area. That's been disastrous for police-community relations. I don't really see anything different in the Territorial Support Group that's going to mean they're going to have any more support from members of the public.
Like their namesake, the Territorials will be called upon in times of crisis, and it's then that the people of London are likely to know whether this latest style of policing is a success. Ken Andrew, Thames News.